Welcome home to 156 Daglish Street, Wembley. One of Perth's most respected and sought-after suburbs, Wembley is defined by convenient walkability, a great family and community feel, and access to some of Perth's best schools. This phenomenal opportunity, where you can acquire 830 square metres with potential to retain the original facade and extend, or to create your own modern masterpiece. The opportunities are endless with this seldom seen block size. As we always say, there is something special to be said about a suburb in any capital city worldwide where you are within 7 kilometres of some of the best beaches in the world and just a short drive to the central business district. The easy access to freeways both north and south gives Wembley an unrivaled convenience. Another amazing benefit is the easy access to public transport, whether it be trains or buses. Wherever you are in this incredible suburb, you're never far away from Perth's best transit stations. So here is your opportunity to move into this wonderful suburb by acquiring 156 Daglish Street. To find out more, please contact Craig Gasper on 0413 929 999.